Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Magic7 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once content is prepped for you, hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll get the sound along with the pop-up with share and scroll options, and after a moment this will disappear. It also shows you that you can swipe up to share or swipe down to scroll. Anyway, let's give it a moment and it should just kind of, vanish. Once it does so, you can find the captured screenshot in your photo gallery application, whatever it is, gallery right here. And it will be visible under the Photos tab, but if you're trying to find a screenshot later on down the line, it might be much simpler to navigate to Albums. And an album called Screenshots will contain screenshots and screen recordings, but it's still much more organized and simple to find it here rather than in your entire photo library. And here is the screenshot that I've captured. So anyway, with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.